Hello, I'm Jason with Cerakote, and today we're going to talk about the Iwata pressure pot system for use with Cerakote. This pressure pot has a 2-quart coating capacity for high volume applications and projects that require a larger vessel to store coating so that less time is spent refilling. In addition to the extra volume, this pressure pot system operates under constant pressure, so the spray gun can be used at any angle without losing feed, which gives it more versatility to be used on complex projects. Understanding the proper setup and maintenance is crucial for using the pressure pot system effectively to produce quality parts while maintaining safety and equipment longevity. We'll begin by talking about the initial assembly and setup of the system. The tools required for this project are an adjustable wrench, Teflon tape, painter's tape, a razor blade, and a 1/4 inch male quick connect fitting. Use Teflon tape to create an air seal. Attach a 1/4 inch male quick connector to the left side of the air regulator joint, located on the regulator body. Assemble the airflow regulator by installing the pressure gauge into the 1/8 inch port located on the airflow regulator body. Install a 1/4 inch male push-to-connect tube fitting onto the 1/4 inch port located on the airflow regulator body. The direction arrows should be pointing in the direction of the airflow. Install the 3/8 inch female push-to-connect tube fitting onto the fluid joint located on the pressure pot handle. Install the assembled airflow regulator onto the right side of the air regulator joint, located on the regulator body. Split the 30-foot hose to make one 15-foot air hose and one 15-foot fluid hose. To avoid confusion when connecting the hose lines, it's helpful to tape and label both ends of the air hose. When labeling, leave at least 1 inch of space from each end of the hose to allow for a proper connection. Insert the labeled air pressure hose into the push-to-connect tube fitting that is attached to the airflow regulator. Insert the unlabeled fluid hose into the push-to-connect tube fitting. Make sure you feel the hose lock into place. Install the 1/4 inch female coupling to the Iwata LPH80 air nipple. Install a 1/4 inch male push-to-connect tube fitting onto the coupling that has been installed into the Iwata LPH80 air nipple. Install the 1/8 inch male push-to-connect tube fitting onto the Iwata LPH80 fluid nipple. Insert the labeled air hose into the push-to-connect tube fitting attached to the coupling at the bottom of the spray gun. Make sure you feel the hose lock into place. Insert the unlabeled fluid hose into the push-to-connect tube fitting that is attached to the Iwata LPH80 fluid nipple. Pro tip: to avoid the hoses from getting intertwined, it is recommended to use tape or Velcro straps to attach the hoses to each other and to the spray gun. Load the coating into the 2-quart container. Secure the pressure pot lid to the 2-quart container and create an airtight seal. Turn the pot pressure knob counterclockwise until you have completely closed the diaphragm. You should no longer feel tension from the diaphragm spring when it's completely closed. Close the pressure relief valve. Connect your direct pressure line to the 1/4 inch quick connect located on the left side of the regulator body. The direct pressure should not exceed 49 psi. Set your pot pressure by slowly turning the pot pressure knob clockwise until the pressure pot gauge reads between 5 and 10 psi. The coating viscosity will help determine pot pressure settings. You will notice the coating to begin to feed through the fluid hose. This is completely normal. The pattern adjustment knob should be set 2 turns counterclockwise from a closed position. The fluid adjustment knob should be set 1 turn counterclockwise from a closed position. And the atomizing air pressure should be set around 30 psi. From a closed position, set the pattern adjustment knob 1 turn counterclockwise. From a closed position, set the fluid adjustment knob 1/3 of a turn counterclockwise. Set the atomizing air pressure around 30 psi. This concludes the tutorial on how to set up and operate the Iwata pressure pot system with Cerakote. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our technical support team.